Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a fruit cake and we have half a pound of all-purpose flour, which is 200 grams. We have 6 eggs and we also have 2 tablespoons of stevia sugar. We have 1 tablespoon of gravy browning and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We also have half a pound, which is 200 grams of butter, which is a vegetarian butter, healthy butter. We also have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and then we have 2 cups of mixed fruit, salt fruit, and we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of mixed spice. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to mix the sugar and the butter together, cream them together. I'm going to put the mixer on number 4 and we're going to cream this together. Now what you do, after you've creamed your sugar and butter together, you add your eggs gradually, bit at a time. So what we do next, we're going to add gravy browning in with vanilla and then we're going to add lemon juice in. And then mix that in. So what I'm doing now, I'm adding the 2 cups of fruit to the mixture, and I'm going to mix that in. What I'm going to do now is mix the baking powder and the mixed spice in the flour together. Then I'm going to gradually add it to the mixer and then mix this in slowly, bit at a time. So I'm adding the remaining part of the flour. So this is what your mixture should look like when you've mixing the flour into it. It should look like this texture. And what we're going to do now, we're going to add it. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to add it to my baking tin. I've greased the bottom and I'll put some greaseproof paper to stop it from sticking. So I'm going to pour this in now, the mixture. Just make sure it's evenly spread inside. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in the preheated oven. And as I said before, it's at 120 centigrade and I'm going to bake it for 2 hours. This is what our cake looks like when it's just come out of the oven. It's been cooling for a while. And this is what our cake looks like when it's taken out the baking tin. Now I'm going to cut a piece of this cake just to show you what it looks like inside. There we are. That's what the cake looks like inside.